Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Alt+Tabbing out of games. Screen turns black for 2 to 3 seconds. It's easy fix, so let me show how. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to completely close the game. In my case it's Roblox, so completely close the game and then you need to look for a particular game. So Roblox, right click on it, open file location, right click again, open file location as well. Then you should see exe file. And then what you need to do here is to show more options, properties, compatibility, and disable full screen optimization. After that, after you apply the settings, run the game, and your issue should be solved. If, for example, you have the game that you cannot find on search like CS2, it's on Steam client or Epic Games client, I will show you what you need to do next. Let's say it's CS2, you just need to right click on it, go to properties, installed files, browse, and then you need to go to game, then bin, Win64, and then you should see exe file. Right click, show more properties, and then disable full screen optimization. If you're using Epic Games, you need to go to library, then press on 3 dots here in game, go to manage, then go to press on this little folder here. And for every game, it will be a bit different. But for example, for Rocket League, I need to go to binaries and Win64, and then you should see exe file. If you don't see exe file, you just need to press on view, show, and then file name extensions. Then you just need to right click on it, properties, compatibility, and make sure to disable full screen optimization, and you will not be getting this issue. So that's pretty much it.